Did you know muscle weakness isn't just a part of aging, but something you can actively fight? As you grow older, keeping your legs strong becomes more important than ever. Strong legs help you stay independent, allowing you to move around freely, enjoy your favorite activities, and maintain your quality of life. But sometimes you might notice your legs feeling weaker or less steady than they used to. The good news is, there are simple, practical steps you can take to regain strength and feel more confident on your feet. In this video, you'll discover 6 essential vitamins that play a key role in strengthening your legs and boosting your overall health. You'll learn exactly why each vitamin matters, how it helps your muscles, and easy ways to include them in your daily routine. We'll also share practical habits you can adopt right away to enhance your mobility and vitality. We understand that making changes can sometimes feel challenging, especially if you're dealing with aches or stiffness. That's why we'll provide clear, manageable tips that fit comfortably into your lifestyle. By watching, you'll gain valuable insights and effective strategies to help you feel stronger, steadier, and more energized in your golden years. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how these tips help you on your journey to better health. Vitamin D and calcium are truly a dynamic duo when it comes to keeping your bones and muscles strong and healthy. As you age, maintaining strong legs becomes even more important, helping you stay active, independent, and reducing your risk of falls or fractures. Here's why these 2 nutrients matter so much. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium effectively, and calcium is essential for building and maintaining strong bones. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't fully benefit from the calcium you consume, no matter how much you eat. Now, one of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to boost your vitamin D levels is simply spending a little time outdoors in the sunlight. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight exposure a few times a week can significantly increase your vitamin D production. Why not take a short walk around your neighborhood or relax in your garden? It's a pleasant way to strengthen your legs and bones at the same time. Of course, diet also plays a key role. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of calcium. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and broccoli also provide plenty of calcium and other beneficial nutrients. Including these foods regularly in your meals can make a big difference in your overall bone health. But sometimes, dietary intake alone isn't enough, especially as you get older. You might find it challenging to absorb calcium efficiently, or perhaps you don't get enough sunlight exposure due to limited mobility or weather conditions. In these cases, supplements can be a helpful solution. It's always best to consult your healthcare provider to determine the right dosage and type of supplement for your specific needs. I remember my neighbor, Margaret, who started taking short daily walks and added more dairy and leafy greens to her meals. Within a few months, she felt stronger, steadier, and more confident in her movements. Small changes really can lead to big improvements. Have you tried increasing your vitamin D and calcium intake? Share your experiences below. Vitamin C and antioxidants play a key role in protecting and repairing your muscles, helping you stay strong and active. As you age, your muscles naturally experience more wear and tear, and antioxidants can help reduce this damage by neutralizing harmful substances called free radicals. These free radicals cause inflammation and slow down muscle recovery, but antioxidants step in to keep your muscles healthy and strong. One simple way to boost your antioxidant intake is by enjoying delicious foods like berries, quinoa, and leafy greens. Berries such as blueberries and strawberries are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that help your muscles recover faster after activity. Quinoa is another great choice, offering protein and antioxidants to support muscle strength. Leafy greens like spinach and kale provide essential nutrients that protect your muscles from oxidative stress. Another wonderful addition to your diet is bone broth. Drinking bone broth regularly provides collagen and minerals that support joint and muscle health. Collagen helps maintain the elasticity and strength of your muscles and joints, making it easier for you to move comfortably and confidently. You can also include chickpeas and seeds in your meals. Chickpeas are rich in protein and antioxidants, helping your muscles repair and grow stronger. Seeds like pumpkin and sunflower seeds offer healthy fats and antioxidants, giving your muscles the nourishment they need to stay strong. Of course, changing your diet can sometimes be challenging. You might find it difficult to maintain a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, or you may experience digestive issues when introducing new foods. To make this easier, try gradually adding antioxidant-rich foods into your meals. Start with small portions and slowly increase them over time. If you're unsure about the best approach for your personal needs, consider consulting a nutritionist who can provide personalized dietary advice tailored specifically for you. By incorporating these antioxidant-rich foods into your daily routine, you'll be taking important steps toward stronger, healthier muscles and improved overall well-being. Which antioxidant-rich foods do you enjoy most? Let us know in the comments. Vitamin B complex is a powerful ally when it comes to energizing your muscles and boosting circulation, helping you maintain strong, healthy legs. These essential vitamins play a key role in energy production, nerve function, and blood flow, all crucial for keeping your legs feeling steady and strong. One simple yet effective way to enhance circulation is through dry brushing. This gentle practice involves lightly brushing your skin with a soft, natural bristle brush. Dry brushing stimulates blood flow, helping nutrients reach your muscles more efficiently. It can also help reduce swelling and discomfort in your legs. If you're new to dry brushing, start gently and gradually increase pressure as your skin becomes accustomed. Some people experience mild skin sensitivity at first, but using a softer brush and gentle strokes can easily solve this issue. Another wonderful way to strengthen your legs safely is by performing cane exercises. Using a cane isn't just for balance. It can also be a fantastic tool for gentle muscle strengthening. Simple exercises like standing leg lifts or slow marching in place while holding onto your cane can significantly improve your leg strength and stability. If you're concerned about discomfort or difficulty when starting these exercises, remember to begin slowly. Gradually increase the intensity and duration as your muscles become stronger and more comfortable. Walking barefoot on natural textures such as grass or sand is another enjoyable way to boost circulation and improve balance. This practice gently stimulates the nerves in your feet, enhancing blood flow and helping you feel more grounded and stable. Just be sure to choose safe, clean surfaces and start with short sessions to allow your feet to adjust comfortably. Personally, I've found dry brushing to be a relaxing and invigorating part of my daily routine. It not only helps my legs feel energized, but also provides a calming moment of self-care each day. Have you ever tried dry brushing or cane exercises yourself? I'd love to hear about your experiences and thoughts. Sharing your journey can inspire others to take positive steps toward stronger, healthier legs. Aging gracefully isn't about avoiding change. It's about embracing it with strength, positivity, and purpose. As you grow older, maintaining your physical and mental strength becomes essential, helping you stay independent and enjoy the activities you love. Maybe it's gardening, playing with your grandchildren, or simply taking peaceful walks in nature. Staying proactive about your health means recognizing challenges, but also finding practical solutions, like incorporating vitamins and nutrients that support your legs and overall vitality. Remember, your mindset matters. When you approach aging with optimism and determination, you empower yourself to live fully and joyfully. What does aging gracefully mean to you? Share your insights below. We've explored essential vitamins and practical habits like vitamin D, calcium, antioxidants, and B vitamins to strengthen your legs and enhance your health. By incorporating these nutrients into your daily routine, you're taking powerful steps toward maintaining your independence, mobility, and overall well-being. Remember, strong legs mean greater freedom to enjoy the activities you love, whether it's gardening, walking with friends, or playing with your grandchildren. I understand that making dietary changes or adding supplements can sometimes feel challenging, but small, consistent steps can lead to significant improvements. Try adding calcium-rich foods like yogurt or leafy greens to your meals, or enjoy a short walk outdoors each day to boost your vitamin D naturally. These simple habits can make a big difference over time. Your health journey is unique, and every positive choice you make counts. I'd love to hear from you. Please share your favorite tip from today's video or tell us about your personal experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful health tips designed specifically for you. Remember, age is just a number. Your strength and vitality are in your hands. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.